I'm not going to waste your time. Here's proof I'm a certified AI expert, and this is the only 4 tools you need to automate all of your administrative work and all of your backend. And make sure to stick around to the end, because I have a special surprise for you to put all of this on steroids. It's completely free and bring you to the next level. Okay, so the first tool is Xero. It's for bookkeeping, invoicing, bank reconciliation, and tax reporting. Xero is basically your central accounting system. It automates invoice creation, it tracks when clients pay, connects to your bank for live reconciliation, and generates tax reports in multiple countries. You can do recurring invoices, multiple currencies, and it integrates with over 800 tools. You can calculate with paying around $30 per month for their standard subscription. Tool number 2 is HubDoc. It's for receipt capture, document processing, and data extraction. And what HubDoc allows you to do is it lets you forward receipts via email or app. With its AI, it's able to extract details like supplier, amount, date, and tax. These documents are then categorized and pushed directly into Xero with the receipt attached, which cuts out your manual data entry almost entirely. It is included in most of the Xero plans, and standalone you might have to calculate with around $12 per month for HubDoc. The next tool on this list is Deal. It is for global payroll, contracts, legal compliance, and even legal compliance for remote workers. Deal can take care of the whole hiring and paying international freelancers or employees side. It generates contracts, handles tax documentations, and ensures local legal compliance. It allows you to pay people in over 150 countries with just one click basically. It integrates with Xero as well, which cuts a lot of time from manual payment efforts. Based on which plan you choose here, you will have to pay as much as $600 per employee payroll from a $50 per month contractor. And the last tool on this list to round all of this up is DocuSign. This is basically just digital contract signing and automation, because DocuSign allows you to send legally binding contracts for e-signature worldwide. You can combine it with Deal for onboarding or with Zapier, which you could count as an honorable mention on this list, to auto-trigger contract sending after a formal submission. A basic plan here is $10 a month, or $25 if you want to do a standard, or $40 per month if you want to do a pro plan. These are the 4 tools I looked out for you. Again, I wanted to make accounting as easy as possible for you. So this is why I've chosen these tools. If you want to dig a little bit deeper into this matter, then here's some honorable mentions for you as well. You can use Zapier, which was already mentioned, or Make to automate workflows between these apps. Notion for task management or internal processes and communicating and designing with your team. You can use tools like Pleo for expense management, virtual cash, and receipt automation. You can use Clockify or Toggle for time tracking, billing clients, and productivity analytics. And of course, Google Workspace for email, calendar, file storage, communication, infrastructure, and so on. Which now brings us to the secret gift I promised you at the beginning of this video. Because if you're watching this video, then I suspect that you want to save time and money and all of that in your business and innovate with AI possibly. So one of the biggest areas that we waste time and money in is communicating with clients and leads. So for that reason, I want to gift you a chatbot which will handle all of these conversations straight on your website, which even allows you to have higher conversion rates, answer faster, answer quicker, and make time of your employees to do more leverageable work, be more productive, and get more output for your money. So if you want to have this free chatbot, then you can click here. We'll see us there.